To fix a docking station that is not detecting a monitor, several potential issues can be addressed. Firstly, loose or faulty cable connections can be a common problem, so it is essential to check that the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is properly connected to both the docking station and the monitor. Unplugging and then replugging the cable can often resolve the issue, and it is also important to double-check that the USB-C connection is secure. Another possible cause is an insufficient power supply, which can prevent the docking station from detecting the monitor. Verifying that the external power adapter, if applicable, is properly connected and functioning is crucial, and ensuring that the USB-C cable has power delivery or PD functionality is also necessary to supply sufficient power to the connected devices. Outdated or missing display drivers can also cause detection issues, so updating the drivers can be a solution. This can be done by opening the device manager, locating the display adapter, and updating the driver. Additionally, visiting the manufacturer's website to obtain the latest drivers may be necessary, especially for certain docking station models that require additional drivers. Lastly, incorrect display settings can also be a contributing factor. The computer may not automatically detect the monitor or docking station due to the settings, so selecting Detect in the display settings can help identify the issue. It is also important to check that the display mode is set correctly, as it may be set to extend or duplicate rather than second screen only. By addressing these potential issues, it is possible to resolve the problem of a docking station not detecting a monitor.